Hi everyone. Welcome back to another English conversation practice video.
Before we start, Alex, I want to tell them something very important.
Yes, please listen carefully. Please do not skip any part of this video.
Let me explain why. If you skip even one step, even one sentence,
If you skip even one step, even one sentence, you will miss the exact expressions, the exact pronunciation, and the exact real-life dialogues that can help you speak natural, confident English.
every line in today's video is designed like a ladder. If you miss one step, you can't climb properly. If you skip one line, your fluency will not grow the way it should.
This video is not just a conversation. It is a real-life situation, a life-changing English practice.
It will help you speak confidently at a bus stop, with strangers, travelers, classmates, coworkers, anyone you meet in daily life.
So please, watch from the beginning till the end.
Do it for yourself. Do it for your confidence. Do it for your future.
Are you ready, Alex?
Let's start the
It is a cool morning. The sun is rising. The street is quiet. Alex arrives at the bus stop. He looks a little tired, but calm. Bella arrives a minute later, holding a warm cup of coffee. Now listen carefully. This scene will teach you slow, natural English.
Good morning. Excuse me, is this the bus stop for bus number 27?
Yes, this is the right place. Bus 27 stops here every morning.
Oh, great. Thanks. I'm new to this area, so I wasn't sure.
No problem at all. Don't worry, I can help you.
Teaching moment. Repeat slowly. Good morning. Is this the bus stop for bus number 27? I'm new to this area. Thank you. That's very kind of you. Speak softly.
So, do you go to work every day at this time?
Yes, today is my first day. I'm a bit nervous.
Oh, don't worry. First days are always a little scary. You'll be fine.
Many vocabulary. New words. Nervous equals worried, uncomfortable. Area equals place. Kind equals friendly, helpful. First day equals starting.
In this scene, Alex and Bella become more comfortable with each other. You will learn small talk phrases used daily in real American English.
So, Alex, where are you from?
I'm originally from Texas, but I moved here last month.
Oh, wow. That's a big change. How do you like the city so far?
It's nice. A little busy, but I like it. The people seem friendly, like you.
Oh, thank you. That's sweet.
Teaching moment. Audience repetition. Repeat these useful everyday phrases. Where are you from? I moved here last month. How do you like the city so far? The people seem friendly. Repeat these useful everyday phrases. Where are you from? I moved here last month. How do you like the city so far? The people seem friendly.
And what do you do? I mean, what's your job?
I work as a customer support assistant. What about you?
I'm studying nursing, final year.
That's amazing. Nursing is a beautiful field.
Yes, it's hard work.
Many vocabulary. Customer support equals helping customers. Nursing equals taking care of patients. Final year equals last year of studies. Helping people equals supporting others. In this scene, you will learn everyday practical English, asking about time, buses, waiting, and schedules. Do you know when the bus usually arrives?
Usually around 7:45, but sometimes it's late.
Oh, I see. I hope today it's not too late.
Well, this bus has its own personality.
I guess every bus in every city is like that. Teaching moment. Repeat slowly. Do you know when the bus arrives? Sometimes it's late.
Do you take the bus often?
Not really. Back in Texas, I used my car every day.
Oh, so this is new for you.
Yes, new, but interesting.
I like the bus. I meet new people every day.
That's true. I'm glad I met you today.
Oh, that's nice. Mini vocabulary. Usually, most of the time. Personality, behavior, style. Often, many times. Interesting, something that catches your attention. Scene closing. The bus is still not here. The conversation becomes deeper.
This is a deep conversation scene. People everywhere talk about life, goals, dreams, even at a bus stop. This will improve your speaking confidence.
So, do you live alone or with family?
I live alone, for now. My family is still in Texas.
Oh, don't you miss them?
Of course I do. But I came here to build a better future.
That's brave. Not everyone can move alone to a new place.
I guess. Sometimes you must take risks. Teaching moment. Emotional English. Repeat slowly. I miss my family. I want to build a better future. Sometimes you must take risks.
What kind of future do you want?
Well, a stable job, good friends, a peaceful life.
That sounds beautiful. You will get it, I'm sure.
Thank you. What about you? What are your dreams?
I want to become a great nurse, travel, and help people around the world.
Scene closing. The bond grows stronger. The bus is still on the way. Their conversation becomes meaningful. Now, another passenger, Chris, joins Alex and Bella. We will learn small talk and polite conversation with strangers. Good morning. Is this bus 27? Yes, it is. Morning, Chris. You take this bus every day? Yes, I go to my office. And you too? Today is my first day. I'm new here. Oh, welcome. You'll like it here. People are friendly. Thanks.
Teaching moment. Repeat after me. Good morning. Is this bus 27? You'll like it here. People are friendly.
So, do you live nearby?
Yes, about 10 minutes from here.
I live a bit farther, about 20 minutes walking.
Walking. That's impressive.
Yes, I like the morning walk.
Alex and Bella share a bit of their daily routines. This helps learn English for talking about habits and routines. In the morning, I usually wake up at 6:30, take a shower, then eat breakfast.
That sounds like a good routine. I wake up at 7, make coffee, and then leave for my class.
Do you always take the bus?
Yes, I enjoy it. I can read, listen to music, or meet friends.
That's nice. Vocabulary plus phrases. Wake up means get out of bed. Take a shower means clean yourself. Breakfast means the first meal of the day. Routine means what you do every day. Enjoy means like something. After work, I usually go home. Sometimes I go to the gym.
Oh, I like exercising too. I go for a run sometimes.
That's great. We have some things in common.
Yes, it's nice to meet someone with similar habits.
Now, Alex and Bella talk about dreams and goals. This scene teaches expressing plans and future intentions. Bella, can I ask, what are your goals for the future?
Of course. I want to become a great nurse, travel the world, and help people.
That's wonderful. Very inspiring. What about you? I want to have a stable job, make friends, and live a peaceful life.
That's beautiful. You're doing the right thing by moving here.
Yes, it was scary at first.
Teaching moment. Repeat slowly. What are your goals for the future? I want to become a great nurse. I want to have a stable job. It was scary at first, but I feel motivated.
The bus is finally coming. This scene teaches how to interact with the bus driver, buy tickets, and enter the bus politely. Wow, the bus is here at last.
Yes, finally. Let's get ready.
Good morning, driver. Is this bus going downtown?
Yes, downtown. Tickets are $2.
Good morning, sir. Here's my $2.
Thank you. Have a good ride.
Thank you for helping me understand everything.
No problem.
Teaching moment. Repeat slowly. Good morning, sir. Is this bus going downtown? Tickets are $2. Have a good ride. Now Alex and Bella are inside the bus. This scene is perfect for learning how to speak inside public transport, small talk, and listening skills. Wow, it's a little crowded today.
Yes, mornings are busy, but you can usually find a seat after a few stops.
Do you work near downtown?
Yes, I just started a new job.
Congratulations! First days are exciting but tiring.
Thanks. Yes, I'm learning new things already. Alex, repeat after me. First days are exciting, but tiring.
First days are exciting but tiring. Mini vocabulary. Crowded means many people. Busy means full of activity. Congratulations means well done. Exciting means interesting, fun. In this scene, we will practice role play. Alex will imagine talking to a stranger at the bus stop, practicing polite English. Excuse me,
Is this the bus to the city center?
Yes, it stops there. Are you going to work?
Yes, I'm new to the area. Could you tell me the stops?
Sure. The bus stops at 3 main stations, then downtown.
Thank you so much. That's very helpful.
Teaching moment. Repeat slowly. Excuse me, is this the bus to the city center? Are you going to work? Could you tell me the stops? That's very helpful. Narrator. This is a useful dialogue for asking politely and learning new vocabulary. Alex and Bella ride the bus. This final scene teaches reflection, repetition, and emotional English connection. I really enjoyed this conversation today, Bella.
Me too, Alex. I learned a few new phrases from you as well.
See, that's the fun of meeting new people.
I feel more confident speaking English now.
And I'm proud of you. You practice slowly and clearly.
Thank you.
Teaching moment and practice. Repeat after me slowly. I enjoyed this conversation today. I learned new phrases. I feel more confident speaking English now. I will keep practicing every day. Say it out loud. Speak slowly. Practice until you can say it.
Before you go, I want to tell you something from my heart. Every conversation helps you grow. Every small effort makes you stronger. And every word you speak brings you one step closer to the confident.
Yes. And please remember this. English is not just a language. It is confidence. It is courage. It is your new opportunity. Even one sentence a day can change your life. And today, you spoke many sentences.
If you watched this video till the end, I want you to know something. You are different from others. Most people quit, but you stayed. Most people stop, but you continued.
And if you want to keep learning with us, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a lesson that